Here is the quick unboxing of the Lenovo PC. Let's get started. Package is some well wrapped by the bubble wraps. Very good packaging. Keep it around. So here we can see the details, and the price is written on here is the 16,999, as you can see in the MRP rate. The Lenovo P2A42 graphite grey, and wrapped with the plastic, very much looking quite good. And here we can see that 5001 mAh battery, watt 24 watt rapid charge, 13.9 full HD Super AMOLED display from the Samsung, and full metal unibody design, and one key power saver. And there is no need for this type of mobile with a huge battery. And here's the OS of Android technology, processor 64-bit Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, octa-core 2.2 GHz, display of the 5.5-inch 1920 by 1080 Super AMOLED Full HD display. Memory of this is a 3 GB RAM version, and 32 GB, and expandable up to 128 via a hybrid card slot. And there is a two cameras of 13 megapixel with PDF technology, and a 5 megapixel with fixed focus technology of front camera. Batteries of huge 5001 mAh embedded batteries, and charger is the rapid charge, which is good at charging very well, and it charges around 120 minutes for full charge. There's a nano SIM and a nano dual SIM with a hybrid slot, and embedded with a fingerprint and NFC support. The SAR value is 0.297 watt per kg at 1 gram head, and 0.8, which is quite good, and is the rating of the quality, that EIC and etc. So let's unbox it. Keep it side here. And here is the Lenovo seal, and we have to cut it from here. Now I'm gonna open the box, and here you can see the Lenovo P2. And here can see the main technologies of the phone, that's Lenovo P2, 5100 rapid charge technology, 4.5 inch the Super AMOLED display, full unibody power save key button. Here is this, the power save, and it's covered from an already cover of the plastic, and looking so good. And here is the IMEI numbers, track ID, and etc. Lenovo, made in India. Oh, I'm so impressed. That's a made in India. So let's see the box contents. Here you can get a plastic screen protector of this, and let's go inside to the, and here is the rapid charge technology embedded, a charger which charge your phone around 2 hours, no 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Let's see the rating. Here's the AC adapter model SC, input 100 to 40 volt and output of 2 ampere 5.2 volt, and a 9 volt 2 ampere 12 volt 2 ampere. Oh, that's a fast charger. Quick charge 3.0. Quick charge 3.0. Here's the mark of the reputed companies who given this. And the Lenovo branding, quite good as well. Let's keep it side here and see the another box contents. And here's the SIM ejector toolkit, and let's see the another paperwork. And here is the earphones, made from Lenovo, so much not good, and keep it side. And let's see anything else. And here are some boring paperworks of the Lenovo P2. There's a quick start guide, a Lenovo warranty, limited warranty, and a SAR value or other things in a different languages. Let's keep it side here. And here you can get a OTG. Oh my god, here you can get a OTG. So very good try from Lenovo. It's a micro USB 2.0 OTG cable. OTG with plastic wrapped. I'm such not impressed with Lenovo. And here is the power cable, which will help as a micro USB cable or a charger cable. So come, let's go with the main P2 here. And here's the P2, and let's remove the back cover. No, it's quite tight. And here's the cover that you get already from the box. And here's the rating, and I'm going to show you the made in India model Lenovo P2A422, manufactured for Lenovo India Private Limited, to get optimal charging effect and a rapid charge technology. Oh, it's got an NFC also. Here's the mark for NFC below the Lenovo branding, and some warnings about the charging and etc. And here's the show of and hybrid SIM slot, how you can use the hybrid SIM slot in the Lenovo P2. And there's a 30 megapixel camera with a dual LED flash. And at the outside we can get a speaker and a microphone and a USB point. And here's the fingerprint button. At the right side you get a lock key and a power button. At the left side you can get a SIM ejector toolkit, a tray, and a power saving button. And here above the phone is 3.5mm jack and a secondary mic. So here's the P2 and the quick unboxing. So let me check this. Thank you for watching.